Dear viewers, in this video we will learn how to create auction-based website. I will share with you the best premium source code to build this website. You can easily create an auction-based website using this source code. Dear viewer, now I will introduce you the important features of the website. We are getting high-quality admin panel to manage the auction-based website. Because we are getting all kinds of features and functionalities in the admin panel to manage the website, we will manage the website step by step using these features and functionalities. Also, we are getting professional nice design on homepage. Here we can show the auction categories. Visitors can also view various auction products on the home page. Then visitors can log into their account and bid on different products. Then here we can show the auction winners. It will make our website very attractive. In menu section we can show our required menus. Also, any user can log in account very easily. And any user can create account by submitting correct information. So let's now log in the account as a user. Now you can see a user account dashboard. Here we can see all our transaction history. We can see auction histories. Also, we can see all winning histories. We can auction any type of product using this feature. Also, we can deposit the website. And we can easily request withdrawal of our earned money. As a user, we get all kinds of features and functionality in the account dashboard. That's why I think this premium source code is the best. So let us now learn how to create an auction-based website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create auction-based website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish auction-based website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. For this, please follow this video completely step by step. We must save this password in our notepad. Now we will learn how to submit SQL file to database. We have successfully submitted the SQL file to the database. Now we will go to Application folder. Then we will go to Unfile. Now we have to submit the database information here. Then we have to save the database information. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. So now let's log in to the admin panel. Here we have to submit the default admin login information. Then we must change the admin default login password. Now we can change all the features and functionalities of the website step by step through the admin panel. You can change all types of website designs through this section. Because here you are getting different section pages step by step to change website design. Also, you can easily change the website systems using other features and functionalities. If you have any problem with admin panel functionality and features, then definitely contact me and I will help you. In this video, I have shared with you the best premium source code for creating an auction-based website. Using this premium source code, you can easily create an auction-based website. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video in full. If you want to watch the next videos, please subscribe to our channel.